Alrighty, what's going on today, guys? Today I'm going to be talking to you about the DR Pro tripod mic stand with the telescoping boom, as you can see here. If you're really serious about setting up a legitimate studio, this is just about as good as it gets in terms of microphone stands. To even start this off, just look at this mic that we have on the stand here. This is a seriously heavy tube microphone, and we've tried other stands with it here at the studio, but this just works the best, and it doesn't even it just holds it really well. I don't have to worry about it, even when it's pushed to the limits, So right off the bat, it's just very sturdy. It's got a great build, and the clutch right here, as you can see, has a little rubber washers. Is why it can remain so steady right inside. They're nice rubber washers that are really strong. As for the weight on this stand, just a little bit of fair warning, it is definitely a heavier stand than most, and that's really due to the and the thickness of it. So if you're looking for something that's maybe more lightweight and easier to transport, or you're someone who's maybe wanting to gig around a little bit more, I would not recommend this stand necessarily, just because you're going to be adding a lot of weight to your load. So that's definitely one thing to keep in mind. As for the size of this thing, it does go from 40 to I think about 69 or 70 inches in terms of adjustable height. And what I mean by that is starting at the base right here and going all the way up to this clutch where I was talking about the washers earlier. It'll go up to about that height. And then the telescoping boom right here, which begins back here and goes all the way to this point right here, I believe it goes from about 19 to 31 inches. So the cool thing is you really get a lot of range on this thing, unlike most mic stands, and it's just really, really easy to adjust. We've recorded tons and tons of vocalists in this studio, as well as instrumentalists, and everything from someone sitting, on the floor or a chair playing acoustic guitar, to somebody who's standing upright, a tall singer over 6 foot. It works, and it works for all sizes. And it's really just a wide range of sizes when compared to the actual price or the value of it. So you're really, really getting a good deal in terms of versatility here. At the bottom, you have the tripod legs. Again, just like the rest of the mic stand, the tripod legs are really sturdy. They are 25 inches on each side, or each leg right here is 25 inches. This means that you will definitely need some room at the bottom. If you are working in a bigger space like this is our vocal booth here, and we have open floor, a kind of a space and an area that they can stretch out and we can adjust it. If I was doing something in a smaller room or in my room, then I would definitely have something more along the lines of this rather. I think that you definitely need room, and it's going to get a little cramped if you have the tripod style legs. But other than that, everything on here, the clamps work really well. Up at the top here, it's just standard size for your typical microphone. What do you call them? Shuck mounts right here. Yeah, your typical screw size. Goes at the back, really again sturdy right here with the washers. Also very, very sturdy clamp tied right down here and at the bottom as well. Overall, this is just a really, really hardcore mic stand, probably the most hardcore mic stand that I've ever owned. So, if you're looking for something that can really last you over the years and can really stay sturdy no matter what you put on it, this DR Pro tripod mic stand is excellent, excellent choice. And honestly, just DR mic stands in general, they make a lot of really, really good stuff. So yeah, I would definitely recommend checking it out if you're in need of a new boom mic stand. Alrighty guys, take it easy.